This is the KRYPTON MT1 2-channel marine amplifier. This amp uses class AB technology and outputs 200 watts per channel at 2 ohms, 120 watts per channel at 4 ohms, and you can also bridge the 2 channels together, which will give you 400 watts at 4 ohms. This amplifier has a sleek design with a nice white marine metal sheen, and on the face of the amplifier is a built-in voltmeter, which looks great but also serves as a tool for you to know when your battery voltage is dropping, which would affect your system's performance. Now, we went to extreme lengths to make this amp truly marine ready. The PCB board is conformal coated with a waterproof glue that is painted on to protect the circuitry. The heatsink, including the bottom plate, is made of aluminum, which is rust-proof, and the end panels and even the internal mounting screws and all of the hardware is made from stainless steel, which is also rust-proof. On the side of this amplifier, we have our power, ground, and remote line terminals. We have 2 25 amp fuses, and over here we have our speaker wired terminals. Now you can see from the silk screening that it shows that you can bridge the 2 channels together. So depending on your setup, you can either bridge the 2 channels together or use them as individual channels. On the other side of the amp over here, we have a high-level input port where the high-level input adapter would plug in. You can use this if your head unit or receiver does not have any RCA preamp outputs and you want to get the music signal from the speaker wire going to the speakers in your boat. Next to that, we have our RCA inputs to get your signal from the preamp outputs of your head unit or receiver, and RCA outputs if you want to send the signal to another amplifier or subwoofer amplifier for a bigger setup. Now, these are the controls for the channels, which are a level knob, a fully adjustable 12 dB bass equalizer, which will boost the proper frequencies to give you a more present and stronger low-end sound. And next to that is a high-pass filter knob, a low-pass filter knob, and then the crossover switch, which can be set into full-range mode, high-pass filter mode, or low-pass filter mode. Now, going back to this crossover switch, you can set it into full-range mode, where no frequencies will be filtered out, or to high-pass filter mode, where you will filter out the lower frequencies between the range of 60 Hz to 1.2 kHz. So if I set it here to 400 Hz on the amp, it will only play frequencies of 400 Hz and above. This would be great to use for mid-range speakers where I don't want too many low frequencies, or if I want to target really high frequencies like in a tweeter. Or you can use the low-pass filter crossover mode setting to filter out higher frequencies, and that ranges between 50 Hz and 250 Hz. So for example, if I set it to here, right around 100 Hz, and had the amp in low-pass filter mode, it will only play frequencies of 100 Hz and below. This would be perfect if you are running a marine subwoofer off the amp. We made this graphic so you can see a list of popular configurations that you can do with this amplifier. Now, this amp is capable of supporting a lot of different setups, but let's go check out a demo we have set up.
What's up, guys? So as you can see, I have my KRYPTON MT1 all set up here and ready to go. And on each channel, I have 2 WB 65K LEDs for a final impedance of 2 ohms per channel. So I'm gonna play some music for you guys to show you just what this amp can do. Here we go.
So as you can see from that demo, the KRYPTON MT1 is an absolute beast. So if you're looking for a powerful, sleek, and versatile 2-channel marine amplifier for your setup, look no further than the KRYPTON MT1 from Rockville.